Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, ex-members of the Pathway Church in Mobile St. James are reporting to law enforcement that members are still meeting in secret and engaged in a ritual that they say is to resurrect Kevin Smith. Now, the reason why law enforcement is taking this report extremely serious. The last time the Pathway Church was meeting in secret and engaged in a ritual practice, it cost the lives of 2 Jamaican citizens. Now, L.A. Lewis also stated that he met with Kevin Smith. Now, the problem with the Pathway Church and the followers of Kevin Smith is that they are willing to kill for their beliefs. I'm going to go on, they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
When I know, like and share that share people. I met last night people with Kevin Smith in the flesh people. Kevin Smith people in the flesh. People, the man said the emperor, you're one of the smartest. Individually, being, the man called me a being. The man said you're one of the most individual, the most smartest being I have ever met. And the man tell me said he will appear back. But he will wait till the right time, people. The man is saying, wait till the right time, people, if he appear back, people. He's waiting until the right time if he appear back, people. So, people, the emperor met last night with Kevin Smith, people. So, I just come on for the program now, people, just make on the know said I'm well and I'm okay. So people, may come give you some met look later what him tell me to tell the world. Alright, Kevin Smith people is alive, is not dead, and he's still on the land, people. But them say them can't touch him. This is why them try to kill him, people, and frame him, is because him did a Lego them dark secret. But the man said choose me, people, to be a messenger. People, the man said choose the emperor to be a messenger. Now, people.
Yeah, Rob?
Yeah, man. The man said choose me, people, to be a messenger, people. Man said big up Andre Stevenson, tell him say him love the work where I'm going. So Andre, this man here say him love the work where you go with, and him love the work where me go with, and him say oh enough to ease up. Man say enough make nothing come between me and Andre Stevenson, people. Man tell me say I'm hungry for trust Renita Adams. The man said I can't trust the commissioner of police. But me tell the police commissioner say him not to take bribery. Yes, people, the man said I tell the police commissioner say he's not to take bribery. People, when the man call me, people, he's a long time friend, people. Not that great friend of people, but he's a long time friend. When him call me, people, long time and say I was to make a guard ring for him, people, I'm kind of feel good, people, because he's a man who I always look up to. You understand? Is a man who I have respect for. Him come out, people, and come start talk one bag of things, people. And he was silent by the Roman Catholic Church, people. Because if the checks are the Prime Minister run the country, no. The man says the Roman Catholic run the country. The man says Roman Catholic run the country. And the man said the Chinese and people got a finger in it right now as I speak. So people, the man said the Chinese government people got a finger in it as we speak, people. So I don't know, people, but sat down, we have a long, sorry, we'll go pick up the other carrier. We have a long discussion, people. Hold on, the people, give me a minute, me so forward there. A minute. Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah, when we reach the station, we're just swinging some. Yeah. Yeah, man, people. So, when I meet this gentleman last night, people, anyway, himself tell Portia Sims to say big up. You understand? Himself tell Andrew Wallace to stop the corruption, people. So, that's why I'm telling some people. It was an honor, people, and it's a historical moment, people, for me, the gentleman of people. But I'm going to tease you a little bit. I'm sure just telling you who I meet last night, people. I forgot burn off, people, over 165 CD, over 100. We have a
Street empty, go to the gas station.
any one of them, man, I will say up on the main road. So, people, the man and name start with K and N with S. People, K and S. People, can you tell me who you think it is? The man say, Emperor, do not watch people when they're saying anything, people. This man and name end with K, people. I start with K. You understand?
I'm the wind bear here.
And end with that, people. So, people, I don't know. Like and share that share, people.
So when I was there, when I came.
Talk to me. Tell me what you think. A year after the death of Kevin Smith, And maybe this is why some are saying that the ritual practice is to resurrect Kevin Smith. See that it was in the November of 2021 was the reported death of Kevin Smith. To which some have said that that was a cover-up. Remember, his body was cremated, which was only witnessed by a few relatives who, because of the situation surrounding Kevin Smith, did not even want their faces to be seen or their names documented. Despite having millions of dollars and assets to his name, the family planned for no big funeral and wanted to remain out of the public light. No. Some must say because there was never any need for any funeral. Who knows? Talk to me in the comment section. And the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.